Ripple XRP has just received a major approval that could change everything for cryptocurrency investors. Imagine this: a digital asset that was once tangled in legal battles is now set to soar, with experts predicting it could reach as high as $16 in the short term, and even a staggering $10,000 in the near future. What makes this so exciting is that XRP has always been known for its unique potential in transforming the global financial system, especially in cross-border payments. Now that Ripple's legal issues seem to be behind it, the market is buzzing with the possibility that this cryptocurrency could be on the verge of a massive breakout. But what exactly is fueling this hype? How can something like XRP, which has faced so many ups and downs, make such a huge leap in price? Well, it all comes down to its newfound approval, the growing adoption of blockchain technology, and Ripple's unique position in the world of digital payments. Investors, analysts, and crypto enthusiasts are all eyeing XRP closely, and the future could be brighter than ever. If Ripple reaches $16 first, many believe it's just the beginning of an even bigger rally that could send the price skyrocketing to $10,000. In this video, we're going to break down what this approval means for XRP, why it has such strong potential to rise in value, and whether it's really possible for it to reach that $10,000 mark. Get ready, because the future of Ripple XRP is looking incredibly promising, and you won't want to miss out on this exciting journey. Ripple XRP has always been a unique player in the world of cryptocurrency. While many other digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum gained popularity as decentralized currencies, XRP positioned itself as a solution for businesses, particularly banks and financial institutions. Unlike other cryptocurrencies that aim to replace traditional currencies, Ripple XRP was created to facilitate fast, low-cost cross-border payments. This focus on real-world utility has given it an edge over many other cryptos that struggle to find widespread adoption. But Ripple's journey hasn't been without challenges. For years, the company behind XRP has been battling with the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) over whether XRP should be classified as a security. This legal battle created uncertainty, causing many investors to hesitate or even pull back from investing in XRP. However, the recent approval of Ripple's status has changed everything. With the legal hurdles behind them, Ripple now has a chance to fully unlock its potential. The approval has cleared the way for Ripple to build stronger relationships with financial institutions, expand its partnerships, and position itself as a leader in the evolving world of digital finance. For many, this approval is more than just a legal victory. It's a sign that Ripple is ready to step into the spotlight and lead the charge for a new era of financial transactions. But the approval itself is just the beginning. Now that XRP is free from regulatory concerns, it can continue to grow, develop new use cases, and tap into a massive market that's eager for fast and affordable payment solutions. And that's where the potential for big price moves comes in. The market has been watching Ripple closely, and now that the approval has come through, investors are looking to see how high XRP can go. So what happens next? Let's take a closer look at the first major price target, $16. Now that Ripple has cleared its major legal hurdles, the focus is shifting to the immediate future of XRP, with a lot of excitement surrounding the first price target, $16. So why $16? Well, market analysts have been closely watching Ripple's performance, and based on current trends, $16 seems like a realistic short-term goal. To understand how this price target is possible, let's break down some of the factors that could drive XRP to that level. First and foremost, the legal approval Ripple received has lifted a huge cloud of uncertainty. This approval gives Ripple more freedom to engage with institutional investors, banks, and payment providers without the constant threat of legal action hanging over them. As Ripple partners with more financial institutions, the demand for XRP could increase significantly, which in turn could push the price upward. Additionally, the overall market sentiment around cryptocurrency is beginning to shift. More and more institutional investors are looking at digital assets as a long-term investment, and XRP's approval has made it a much more attractive option for these large-scale players. As more money flows into the market, XRP's price could see an increase as a result of this increased demand. Moreover, Ripple's focus on cross-border payments, an industry that's valued in the trillions of dollars, sets it up for substantial growth. As adoption of blockchain technology continues to rise, Ripple's position as a leader in this space gives it a strong foundation to expand further. Another key factor is the general bullish sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. With Bitcoin and Ethereum continuing to make headlines and seeing price increases, XRP could follow suit, benefiting from the rising tide of digital assets. Many experts believe that as the broader crypto market continues its recovery and expansion, XRP will be one of the biggest beneficiaries of this trend. All of these factors combined create a perfect storm that could push XRP to the $16 mark. But what happens after that? If XRP hits $16, it could be just the beginning of an even bigger run. Let's take a closer look at what could drive XRP to the unimaginable price of $10,000 in the near future. If hitting $16 seems like an exciting milestone, then the potential for Ripple XRP to soar all the way to $10,000 is nothing short of mind-blowing. While this might sound far-fetched at first, there are a number of long-term factors that could make this incredible price possible. To start with, XRP has always been designed with utility in mind. Unlike many cryptocurrencies that are driven primarily by speculation or hype, Ripple's primary focus has been to serve as a solution for cross-border payments, an industry worth trillions of dollars. Ripple has already made significant strides in securing partnerships with financial institutions, including big names like Santander, American Express and Standard Chartered. These partnerships are key to Ripple's growth, and as more banks and businesses adopt its technology, the demand for XRP could skyrocket. Beyond Ripple's current partnerships, there's the broader potential for blockchain and cryptocurrency adoption. As more countries and financial institutions look to adopt blockchain technology, XRP's position as a fast and efficient payment solution puts it in an ideal position to benefit from this growth. Ripple's system allows for transactions to be processed in seconds, compared to the days it can take for traditional cross-border payments to settle. This level of speed and efficiency is increasingly appealing to businesses and financial players looking to streamline their operations, especially as the global economy continues to embrace digital currencies. If Ripple's network continues to expand, the demand for XRP could grow exponentially, pushing its value to heights we've never seen before. Another major factor in XRP's potential to reach $10,000 is the overall growth of the cryptocurrency market. As more people around the world start investing in digital assets and blockchain technology becomes more widely accepted, XRP could see increased demand, not just from institutional investors but from retail investors as well. The explosion of interest in cryptocurrencies over the past few years has shown just how quickly digital assets can rise in value, and Ripple's position in the financial industry gives it a clear edge in capturing a significant share of that growth. However, there are challenges to consider. The volatility of the crypto market is well known, and any number of regulatory hurdles or unexpected market